Hey everyone, Ryan here from Foxtecc. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase your WhatsApp call volume on an iPhone. If you've been struggling to hear people during calls, don't worry. I'll walk you through a few steps that should help fix the issue. First and foremost, while you're on a WhatsApp call, simply press the volume up button on the side of your iPhone. This will increase the call volume to your desired level. Make sure you keep pressing it until the volume is loud enough for you to hear clearly. It might sound obvious, but this is the first step to take. Another thing to check is whether your iPhone's speaker is clean and unobstructed. Dirt or debris can block the sound, making the call quieter. Now, depending on how you're taking the call, whether you're holding the phone to your ear or using speakerphone, it makes a difference. For louder sound, you can switch to speaker mode, where both the top and bottom speakers of your iPhone are used, which will give you a much clearer and louder sound. If you're using headphones or Bluetooth devices, you'll need to adjust their volume separately. Sometimes the iPhone's main volume doesn't control these external devices, so be sure to check their settings as well. If none of these options work, try restarting WhatsApp or even your iPhone. This can help clear out any software issues that might be causing the volume problem. Also, make sure your WhatsApp app is fully up to date. Head over to the App Store and see if there's an update available. If this is a bug within the app, an update could very well fix it. If you've tried all of these steps and the problem still isn't resolved, feel free to let me know in the comments below. There could be something else going on that we haven't covered here, and I'd be happy to help you troubleshoot further. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on using your iPhone. See you later.